Imagine this, a small Bitcoin mining company using clean energy to power AI supercomputers. While everyone's chasing Nvidia and Coinbase, this one stock could quietly explode from $5 to $50, and almost nobody's paying attention. Welcome back to Money Move IQ, the channel where we break down the future of finance, investing, and the next big money moves shaping our world. Today, we're diving deep into a company that could transform from a quiet miner into a digital infrastructure powerhouse. IRES Energy, ticker symbol IRN. Stay tuned till the end, because what this company is building could position it as one of the biggest winners in both Bitcoin mining and AI data infrastructure. IRES Energy, or IREN, isn't just another Bitcoin miner chasing quick profits. It's building something smarter, a clean energy-powered computing network that can mine Bitcoin today and power AI workloads tomorrow. They operate massive facilities in Canada that run on 100% renewable energy. While competitors depend on fossil fuels or unstable grids, IREN's cost advantage comes from cheap, sustainable hydropower. This isn't just good for the environment. It's good business. Lower costs mean higher margins, and in a world heading towards sustainability, this could be the key to long-term survival. Now here's where it gets exciting. IRES Energy's mining sites aren't just built for Bitcoin. They're built for high-performance computing. With AI exploding across industries, companies are desperate for energy-efficient data centers. IRES Energy already has that infrastructure. Massive power capacity, cooling systems, and data connectivity. They can repurpose parts of their Bitcoin mining facilities into AI training centers, hosting companies that need computing power for machine learning, autonomous systems, and generative AI models. Think about it. A company that started with Bitcoin mining now has a foot in AI infrastructure. That's the same pivot that made Nvidia one of the most valuable companies on Earth. Let's talk numbers. IREN has been aggressively expanding, increasing capacity, reducing debt, and scaling revenue. The company recently achieved over 7 exahash of Bitcoin mining power, and it's growing fast. Revenue climbed as Bitcoin recovered, but what's even more impressive, their infrastructure value keeps rising, even outside of crypto. Their assets are real: land, equipment, and power infrastructure. With Bitcoin's next halving coming in 2025, mining efficiency will matter more than ever. IREN's clean energy model positions it ahead of inefficient miners. If Bitcoin retests all-time highs, IREN could see exponential revenue growth. But if AI hosting takes off, that's a second profit engine. The global economy is shifting toward clean, efficient energy. Governments are incentivizing renewable projects and punishing carbon-heavy ones. IREN's model, hydro and wind-powered data centers, aligns perfectly with that future. They're not just following the green transition, they're profitably building within it. This gives them long-term resilience. Even if Bitcoin faces regulation or volatility, IREN's assets still hold value because data is the new oil, and energy is its foundation. Let's get real. Could IREN actually hit $50? To understand that, we look at market caps. Riot Platforms and Marathon Digital both reached market caps near $10 billion during the last crypto bull run. IREN is still below $1 billion. If Bitcoin returns to $100,000 and IREN scales its infrastructure for AI clients, it's entirely possible this company could 5 times, even 10 times in market value. This isn't financial advice, it's about understanding potential. Every great stock started as an underdog that built its way up. Of course, every opportunity comes with risk. Bitcoin's volatility can crush short-term earnings, energy costs can rise, and competition from larger miners is fierce. But IREN's strategy is to build durable infrastructure. That's what gives them staying power. Not hype, but hard assets. They're expanding sustainably, not recklessly. That's the difference between a trade and an investment. What makes IREN exciting isn't just what it does today. It's what it can become tomorrow. Bitcoin miners that evolve into AI data infrastructure companies will dominate the next decade. IREN has the hardware, the power, and the vision to make that leap. And if you believe in the convergence of crypto, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence, this might just be one of the smartest plays in that entire space. Wall Street often ignores the innovators until it's too late. IREN may not be a household name yet, but it's building the foundations of the next digital revolution. So, ask yourself, when the next bull market comes, do you want to chase the headlines or own the infrastructure behind them? This is Money Move IQ, where we help you think smarter, invest wiser, and move with confidence. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's watching the AI and Bitcoin story unfold, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.